Hey everybody, it's Evan here at IndySoft, back at you with another tip on a Tuesday. And today I want to show you a new feature we have in 12.1, or at least it came out in 12.1, so it is available in anything newer than 12.1. But that is the feature now to be able to batch create new pieces of equipment based on a template. So batch meaning you can create more than one piece of equipment at a time from a template. So here I am on the equipment view, and you'll go up here to the new equipment based on template that's been here for a little while. And what you can do now is it has this option for quantity, so you can choose how many pieces of equipment that you want to create. So let's say here I have this template 1, 2, 3, and I'd like to create 10 new pieces of equipment from it. You can now choose, you'll have to use this auto numbering feature, and this is just going to show you that first piece of equipment that's created, that new ID, and that's based on the auto numbering option actually on the template. So you have to make sure you have that set up. You can also choose, if you have different cal types, you can choose what cal type you want for that piece of equipment. So I have here now 10 pieces of equipment. The next ID is going to be 13, so it'll go 13 through 23. And then now if I go ahead and create, it is going to take me to, excuse me, that most recent created piece of equipment. So now we can kind of go backwards and see that we have all these new pieces of equipment created from a template, which is pretty neat. It could help you out if you have a bunch of equipment you need to create and you have a template that you want to create it from. Just one thing to note, that you'll want to make sure on that particular template, like I said earlier, that you have an auto numbering setup or auto numbering scheme set up. So here you'll just want to go make sure on a template that you're trying to create all these gauges from, that here you're on that template, and then you have under auto numbering scheme, you have one chosen. Yeah, so a cool new feature that we have available on anything newer than 12.1. Thank you so much. Bye.